Hey everybody, this is Scott Grammer and I am the Old Audio Guy, and this is a very gorgeous example of a Marantz Model 2230 receiver. And its problem is that the left channel will not play unless you press the mono button. And this is a common problem. I've seen it several times with 2230s and with some other Marantz receivers of that era. And it's a very simple fix. This is something you can fix yourself if this crops up with one of your receivers. Anytime you see one that's got these dubbing jacks here, this is something you need to look for. If this receiver has had a wooden cabinet in the past, and someone took the wood cabinet off and then put the feet back on without the wood cabinet using the original long screws like this one, see if my camera will focus on it. There it goes, like that one. What happens is that long screw goes up into the wiring behind this dubbing jack and shorts out one channel. And it won't do any damage. It doesn't usually hurt the wiring or hurt the receiver in any way. And if you pull that screw out, all of a sudden the left channel plays. So all you have to do to fix it is take this long screw out and put a short screw in its place to hold that foot on. A screw about 3/4 of an inch long is just right. It's a simple fix, and it doesn't cost anything, well, whatever the price of the screw is. But there you go. All right, that's enough for now. Talk to you later. Bye.